I'm Peanut. Welcome to the carnival. Come join us at the carnival for a day full of fun. So let us find out what can we see at a carnival. Fun rides. There are several fun rides at a carnival, like Ferris wheel, carousel, roller coaster. At a carnival, we can also play different kinds of games. Some common games include dart game, ring toss, and basketball game. And not to forget the yummy treats that we get to find at a carnival. Some common yummy treats that are found at a carnival are cotton candy, ice cream, popcorn. And when you are at a carnival, never miss the carnival parade. Wow, the parade is full of music and dancing. And how can we forget the dress-up fun? People wear fun and colorful costumes at the carnival. At night, the carnival shines so bright, and that is because of the lights and decorations. Yay! And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. Thanks for joining us at the carnival today. Did you enjoy it? And if you loved this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And you can also watch our other videos, the links for which are available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut or Peach.